40 daw. Baka in your dream.
Ikaw nagsabi eh.
Oh no, she did lose weight because remember when back in the days?
Back in the day.
Ha?
What about it?
Nung nandito pa si ano pangalan yung ano pangalan?
Peter?
Si Peter, yeah.
Babag siya si Ubi. She doesn't want to disclose that part of her life.
That chapter is closed. We'll reopen the case.
Yeah, you keep that dead where it belongs.
Posted no videos of me and Pooh either.
Yeah, I did. I did already.
You're mean to me.
No, I'm real. See?
There's no sweet and sour, anything? There was. Ba't hindi mo kami binibigyan ng noodles? Mixing our fish.
Jem, Jem, yung ano daw?
Noodles, ikaw lang. Bakit hindi ka humingi? Ah, ganun ba? Penge. Ano kami kita? O, ayun ko yan.
Gusto niya bago.
Wala na akong pulis eh.
Baka meron kang ano eh.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Dito na lang ako kunan ko. Yung mga gusto. Ayaw ka na si Gina. Takot sa camera yan eh.
I got this one. Oh, you did.
Got it. Go LG, it's your birthday. Hey. Tala, tala. Tinatawa na ka ni Ube oh. Go Junior.
Auntie Kathy, you wanna play?
Debating. I haven't eaten yet.
Okay.
It's debatable. Maybe next time. Go LG. Go Junior.
I just got that.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Don't hit it. Don't hit me with that. Good job. Bad job. Hit me.
Hey, did it make it across? No? No, no, over the net. Did it go over the net? Go Junior. Go LG. Ah, it didn't cross the net. Okay, recording.
Sabihin, ano ba ito babae ito? Kanina pa kain ng kain.
Masakit ang ngipin.
Tapos sinasabi niya si Jane
Just got toothache. There's a reason why you're gaining weight, Gina.
Diba? Ang arte kahit
Okay.
ng bigay ng 45 kaya magpain. Lapang ng lapang.
She can't help it. Huh?
Not
Seafood diet, that's a seafood diet.
Sabi ka,
Every time she sees food, she eats it.
I see you.
Ha, Miss Gina? Nasa seafood diet ka ba?
She gain weight. She can eat. You keep
Every
bothering
time you see food, you eat it.
Something wrong.
Something wrong. Something hard. How about that? What's up, Joe?
Kaya tinitira ko yan. Kaya sa ano. Hindi, ay, type. Masarap naman, love.
Manyaman? Yung isda, manyaman ano?
Inggit ka.
Love. Love.
Okay dyan.
Love.
Ha? Folding chair? No, we didn't bring any.
Wala ko din. Bahala na pa rin tayo. Wala ko din.
Ayan o, yung puno, ayan o. Right there, right there.
Kasi bakit dito tayo malapit sa playground?
Halika na dyan.
What up, Niners?
Love.
Huh?
Love.
Yes, Mama.
Ano?
Not a ball, it's a bird.
Who you calling Birdie? Say something. No say?
That's it, that's it.
O, sino nanalo dito? Next time, LG. Go, LG. Go, Junior. Naduling ka ba, LG? Did you get cross-eyed or what? Supot yata yan, supot. Go LG, go Junior. Si Junior naduduling eh. Nice try. Go LG, go Junior. Go Junior. Every time I say go Junior, nami-miss niya eh.
Double time.
Ano yung inumin mo? Piniscribe sa iyo eh.
Oh.
Okay, so talaga dahil i-isip sa inyo. Kung ayaw mo nang baga mamaya, mamaya ka lang uminom gabi. Wala.
Help you.
I have ibuprofen.
That's really not gonna help your pain. Hi, Miss Gina. How are you?
Dito naman kami.
Stop it.
Okay, 200 lang yan.
Ayan, Kito. Hello? Mandarin oranges, anyone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mal, you want mandarin?
Yeah.
Ayan o, Jem.
You gotta take her right here.
Oh, the smell.
You gotta take her.
Go try it. Just try it. And
Just a
then tell me
couple
what
of
it tastes like.
them.
No, eat it. Go.
Bahala kayo sa buwan yung malaki na kayo.
Oh, kind of does.
Kaya na kayo.
What?
Yeah, it does. Tastes like that. Polish.
Like codfish.
Kamay at paa na kayo.
Man, yeah, good taste. Shoes. That tastes exactly like it.
Ayo, kung ano naman kinakain nyo, yung bata kayo ha. Pag kayong cameras kita pagtripan nyo ha.
You put new shoe flavor.
How about the Jordans? How did that taste?
Please do tell.
Please do tell. We want to know what the Oreos taste like. Jordans.
Kind of tastes like the iPhone. You know, like the box.
Oh my gosh.
iPhone.
Well, we know Edison knows what wall tastes like.
The what tastes like?
Wall?
The inside the box of the iPhone.
The wall.
Only Edison knows what the paint of the wall
Why, he ate some?
Yeah, kumakain siya nun.
Oh wow, he's one of those weirdos that should be on TV, huh? Did you watch that show? Did you watch that show?
Yeah.
Where they eat all kind of weird stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, Bizarre?
Yeah. I forget the name of the show.
Yeah, Bizarre food, right? Is that what you mean?
No, Bizarre Foods is
Like weird cravings.
yeah.
Eating weird
Like this one guy, he was eating the inside of his house.
Oh, like the paint, stuff like that?
No, the what do you call that? The chalk thing?
That's classic.
That's Edison.
Yeah, the chalk thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think this is girl
So,
that
you
ate,
know, he didn't have to go grocery, he just ate his house, huh?
flavored brown.
Okay, coming. Kukumutan na ka na ni Gina.
Para ako handicap, ano? Sabi, you are handicap.
Not mentally handicapped, right? Physically handicapped. Soon.
Don't eat the mandarin orange anymore.
Chris, the sun is in your face, in your eyes.
It tastes like gas. It tastes like gas, Jam.
Oh, wag mo na daw kainin yan. Wag na daw.
Some gas.
You know why? Baka nakulob. Oh, cute.
Is it gassy?
Tastes like gas. Like
Oh, I thought it was gassy. Ito yung mga nanonood. Ano tawag sa English yun? Kat?
It's the tip of my tongue right now.
Ano tawag? The spectators. They're not.
The spectators.
Okay? And these are the players. The wannabes.
The young and old people.
What's up, brother?
I think your artists want to play too.
These two.
Alayo mo dyan.
These two right here. No, let's go next. They want next. They want next. The two girls.
Okay.
Over there. There's one right there.
Love is a crime. That what it says?
No.
Huh, baby?
Not the one over there. Come over there.
Yeah.
Huh, Mel?
Yeah.
Love is a
No,
crime?
love is not a game.
Here, Mel. Mel. Give me two, and your butt is hella dirty.
Not hella dirty. It's a little. It's got
Let me
some
see your MC Hammer Daddy pants.
MC Hammer. I used to have those pants. Remember?
That's not something I'd be proud of saying.
Hey, man. I like those.
They call them harem pants now, I think.
Ready? Set. Go.
Oh, nagtatago na naman. My goodness. That's all I see. From you two. Nothing.
Wala mo kami ni Gina. Nakita mo ba kami? Love?
Yes, love.
Nakita mo kami?
Paano kayo makikita? Nagtatapon kayo. Ah.
Bakit yung nasa ng mandarin parang gasoline?
I know. That's what Gemma was saying.
You gotta taste it. I ate two.
Yan. Basahin mo. Ay, no, yung mandarin.
It's just probably because it's been sitting in the plastic Tupperware.
Yeah.
Ikahagis natin doon sa barbecue. Para umapoy. Malamig.
Go LG. Go Junior. Go Melissa.
You guys can play. For now.
Nagna-night-night na sila.
It's 2 against 1, huh?
Ay, hindi.